Hi guys, can you believe these incredible video transformations were created entirely with AI? It looks almost like movie magic. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Edimakor to modify virtually any part of a video while keeping the characters, environment, and overall style remarkably consistent from beginning to end. Let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Video, Reference to Video. By default, Edimakor will select the WAN 2.7 AI video generation model. In addition to WAN 2.7, Edimakor also includes several of the latest AI video models, so you can experiment with different options and compare their results. With the Reference to Video feature, you can upload one reference video, up to 4 reference images, and use a text prompt to guide the AI in transforming your video exactly the way you want. Let's start with a simple example. I'll upload a video and enter the prompt, change the season to winter. Then I'll set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio before clicking Generate. Take a look at the result. Wow! The AI transforms the season from summer to winter naturally. Now let's try something even more interesting, replacing the person in the video. First, upload the reference photo of the person you'd like to use. Then enter a prompt instructing the AI to replace the original character with the person in the reference image. After setting the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, click Generate. Let's check out the result. The new character blends seamlessly into the original scene while maintaining realistic motion and visual consistency. Next, let's see how AI can add entirely new elements to a video. I'll upload another video and ask the AI to add dramatic lightning effects by entering the appropriate prompt. Take a look at the final result. Wow! The lightning integrates naturally into the scene, making the entire video look much more cinematic and visually striking. And that's how the Reference to Video feature in Edimakor works. By combining a reference video, reference images, and simple text prompts, you can modify almost any part of your video while preserving consistency throughout the entire sequence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.